In the heart of the Swiss Alps, hidden by ancient forests, lies Lake Cauma, the lake of midday rest. A place shrouded in mystery, voted as Switzerland's most beautiful mountain lake, where the waters hold ancient secrets and beckon us to uncover the essence of its existence.
But where does the water, clear as crystal, come from, when no rivers flow into this basin? The origins of Lake Cauma stretch back nearly 10,000 years, formed by the Alps' largest landslide. Its basin, carved by time and hidden forces of nature, fills with water that seeps through porous rockfall, an underground passage formed over millennia, ensuring the lake's mystery endures.
This enigmatic lake, perched at 997 meters above sea level, defies the conventions of nature. Each spring, as if by magic, the lake fills, fed by an underground caste system hidden beneath the Flims Mountains. Despite having no visible inflow or outflow, the lake's level rises with the meltwater, a testament to the unseen aquifers and karst rock formations that nurture it. Yet, since 2003, a notably low water level has been a reminder of the delicate balance we share with nature. This was potentially due to the construction of a road tunnel in Flims and general drought conditions. The water temperatures of Lake Cauma are also higher than other lakes at similar altitudes, reaching 17 to 22 degrees Celsius, thanks to natural warming processes and the surrounding tranquil woodland basin.
Amidst this natural splendor, legends whisper of the lake's healing powers. For centuries, it has been a sanctuary, attracting those seeking relief for ailments of the skin, eyes, and rheumatic conditions. Farmers too believed in these waters, once bathing their ailing animals in its embrace, a tradition rooted in the collective memory of the region.
Today, Lake Cauma remains a jewel in the Swiss Alps, not only for its beauty and mystery but also as a haven of tranquility and adventure. From swimming in its warm waters to exploring the surrounding trails, the lake offers a myriad of ways to connect with nature. And for those who linger, the lake's serene environment and leisure activities, from paddleboarding to enjoying a lakeside mojito, encapsulate the essence of a perfect day spent outdoors.
As the sun sets, casting a golden hue over the waters, and the stars take their place in the night sky, Lake Cauma reveals its true magic. A spectacle of light and shadow, a dance of nature's beauty and mystery, inviting us to pause, reflect, and marvel at the wonders of the natural world.
Lake Cauma, a symphony of water, rock, and legend, remains a testament to the timeless allure of nature's mysteries. It invites us to explore, to dream, and to cherish the delicate balance of life on Earth.